Hey guys, welcome back to CLOCKWISE Crypto. Hope you guys are moving forward in everything that you do. Bitcoin clears $100,000 again and is flirting with 100,000, jumping under to 99,000 again. So huge news. This could be a rebound. Let's take a look at the charts. We see Bitcoin, huge daily candle right now. Okay, we see how big this candle is and really created a higher low point, wicking as far down as about $90,000, just over $90,000, about 91, right? So we see this higher low was created here at about 95,000, shooting up to 100,000, nearing and heading towards this level of resistance we have at 107,000. So what's next, right? So this comes right after BlackRock increases stake in Michael Saylor's strategy to 5%. So essentially it's been a hedge, right? So those of you that can't get Bitcoin, a lot of people have been investing in strategy, formerly known as MicroStrategy, as a sense, or if Bitcoin wins, MicroStrategy wins because of the huge balance sheet of Bitcoin that MicroStrategy, now known as Strategy, is holding. So BlackRock increases stake in Michael Saylor's strategy to 5%. BlackRock's investment comes a day after the world's largest corporate Bitcoin holder rebranded from MicroStrategy to Strategy. So BlackRock increased its stake. So we see here BlackRock Strategy continue increasing Bitcoin exposure. Both BlackRock and Strategy continue investing in Bitcoin despite recent Bitcoin correction. So they're buying the dip. So while a lot of people are selling and getting fearful, you see the writings on the wall. Follow what they do, not what they say. They're accumulating, right? So Strategy said it has already raised 20 billion of that 42 billion, fueling its Bitcoin buying spree largely through senior convertible notes and debt. So they're taking debt on the company to buy Bitcoin. Why would they do that? Because they know there's a high probability. Of course, nothing's guaranteed. They know that there's a high probability that Bitcoin is going to continue to increase in value at, pretty much unlike any asset that's out there today. Increasing more than stocks. We've done that comparison before. Increasing more than real estate, right? And, there's been that comparison, Bitcoin to real estate, right? As you see right here, BlackRock, its Bitcoin ETF became the 31st largest ETF among all ETFs, including crypto, traditional finance products. As of January 31st, we can see here, right, the iShares Bitcoin Trust ETF, like this, it's only going to get bigger. It may even take the top 10, if not become number one easily. So BlackRock is the largest Bitcoin ETF, worth 55.5 billion, controlling over 48.7% of all the holdings of all US spot Bitcoin ETFs. So Bitcoin adoption is growing in the United States, and like we're seeing it, the writing's on the wall. And so, like I said, it's hard for me to understand why people would be selling at a time like this. Like, why would you sell with all the writing on the wall that's showing us that Bitcoin is here to stay, crypto is here to stay, right? So it's a changed mindset, right? If you see what's happened here, you see what the big corporations are doing, there's a pullback, there's a correction, which healthy markets have, and they buy that dip. Okay, the SEC, the Fed, and even Congress will have to grapple with how to classify Bitcoin in the public reserves. Is it a commodity? Is it a security? Is it something entirely new? So here we see a ton of states across the United States issuing a bill to make Bitcoin, or build a stockpile of Bitcoin in their state's strategic reserve. They see the value. Right now, they're just going through the process to get it. So we even have Binance CEO highlighting the institutional role in driving Bitcoin adoption. So Binance CEO Richard Tang emphasized the role of institutional investors, evolving regulations, and making crypto an essential part of the financial system. So imagine not measuring in dollars anymore, right? Imagine measuring in Bitcoin, okay? Oh, that's going to be one Bitcoin. That house over there, that's 2 Bitcoin, right? Or even being able to have that as a form of currency, right? No matter what the price is, no matter what the fluctuation is, you're going to be able to say that we're selling that for 2 Bitcoin. All right. So Richard Tang, the CEO of crypto exchange Binance, highlighted the importance of institutional investors and evolving regulations for wider adoption of cryptocurrency. The spot Bitcoin ETFs market in the U.S. racked in $44.2 billion in its first year of operations. And this is just since January 10th, 2024. January 2025 alone, Bitcoin ETF market recorded $5 billion worth of inflows. The money's coming. We see the money's coming. And here's the point out. The future of finance is inclusive and integrated. As institutions embrace crypto and regulations mature, we're seeing digital assets become essential to broader the financial system. Let's keep building. Love this, guys. Love it. So you guys can see the timing that you're in. We're still early. We're still early in this conversion to accepting crypto. Not too long ago, you had people like Mark Cuban and others who are longtime investors, even still today, Warren Buffett, who pretty much denounced crypto, didn't want anything to do with it. Even seeing President Donald Trump speak, not really in favor of crypto, let alone Bitcoin. Right, to see how information changes situations, right, and to see people come on board and embrace the new technology. You have an opportunity to embrace this technology as well and potentially profit from it because we're still early. Hope you guys got some value out of this video. Keep moving forward in everything that you do. We'll see you soon.